Anybody excited about Jesus in here? I'm just wondering. So half of y'all. Anybody excited about Jesus in here tonight? I know y'all been in service all night. Y'all been getting it in.
Yes, we have.
But it's all right. Can we praise the Lord a little bit longer? Is that cool? I got a little bit. I ain't gonna be up here long. Don't worry. I ain't gonna preach to you none of this. We just came to bless the Lord with y'all tonight. I'm going to sing a little bit of, I'll sing a few songs for y'all. The first song I'm going to sing just talks about praising the Lord and that I have to tell him how I feel. I have to tell him that I'm grateful. If you get in a relationship, you get married, it's one thing for you to, you be like, baby, I love you and stuff. I gotta say it. I gotta express it, and that's what praise is, speaking well of God. I gotta say, baby, you look good tonight. You good to me. I gotta let her know that, express that. So, is that cool? Can we speak to the Lord real quick? Y'all ready? Y'all gonna sing with me? Yeah. Where my background vocals at? My background out there?
Right here.
Everybody just clap your hands. 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 Oh, just clap your hands. Just clap your hands. Can I tell y'all my story real quick? Thought I had it figured out. Thinking I can do it my way out. Said I don't need your help, Lord, but you love me anyway. Don't you never love me, you can show me crazy. Oh, renewed my spirit, made me more like never gonna be the same. Never gonna be the same. Never gonna be the same. Cause you have the power to transform my mind. You have the power to transform my life. So shake me in your image, Lord. Shake me in your image, Lord. Anybody wanna be shaped in his image, Lord? All things